was hot. What are we eating?
We're eating a rice bowl.
Yeah.
With cheese and broccoli and rice and shrimp.
And peppers and onions.
Oh, the Lord is good to me, and so I thank the Lord for giving me the thing that I need, the sun and the rain and the apple seeds. The Lord is good to me. Amen.
Amen. Comment down below if you guys know that song. And let us know what grace you say when you bless your food. Comment down below and let us know what you guys are having for dinner tonight.
By the way, today is Wednesday.
Don't talk with your mouth full, baby.
When I say Mom, you...
You have food in your mouth.
When I say mode, you say mode. Mode.
Mud.
Mode.
Mud.
You said mud. I said mode. When I say mode, you say mode. Mode.
Mode.
Mode. Mode. When I say mode, you say mode. Mode.
Mode.
Mode.
Mode.
When I say mode, you say mode. Mode.
Mode.
Mode. Mode.
Mode.
And I mode. Mode. Guys, did you actually know when you put your finger in there, you can actually see slime?
Comment down below.
You can actually see slime in these.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the collector's guide. Look at this. Look at the slime cloud.
Yeah, we just did another video where we opened it. We just got finished washing the car today. And how was your day at school, Maya?
It was fun.
What did you do?
We got to color stuff and go on iReady. We got to do math skills. Then we switched classes. Went to lunch. For lunch I had pizza. And then we went back to the classroom. We were doing a test on Jimmy Carter and scarcity.
What about you, Lamont? What you do in school today?
I do at gym.
Gym. Ooh. What you guys play in gym?
I did gym too.
I play activities.
Okay.
I did basketball.
Yeah, and we stay in the desk and then we walk around. Walk around and running.
You was running?
Yeah.
Should I get a lemon, PJ?
A lemon?
Mm-hmm. and get a lemon. This broccoli is good.
I'm gonna get yellow broccoli and peas.
After I finish this, is there any more?
Mm-mm.
Aww. I want a second.
Mm-mm. I mean, think of that as enough. It's a big old bowl.
Look, my Moji Moji tower. It's a Moji Moji thing. So the bunny is hopping and the bear doesn't hop, right? So if it's an animal that doesn't hop, it goes on the bottom. If it's an animal that goes, if it's an animal that's hopping, it goes on the top, so it can hop.
Eat your food, Maya.
Okay.
Yeah. We got school in the morning. I didn't have homework. PJ had homework. And Grandma did your homework with you, PJ?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, she told me. Maya. I got your big old spoonful. Well, thank you for eating dinner with us. We want you to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, follow us on Instagram at LLSQUAD Life, like our Facebook page, Life with Lamont and Lamaya, or at LL Squad. You can find it there.
What do you say? Kia.
Excuse me.
Mm-hmm.